we know that 2925 is not a perfect square, and we have to find the number by which this should be divided so that it becomes a perfect square. So first step will be prime factorization. हमें मालूम है कि 2925 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, तो हमें वो नंबर ढूंढना है जिससे इसको डिवाइड करें सो दैट इट बिकम्स अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो पहला स्टेप वी विल डू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. 2925 का जब हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे ना, हियर यू कैन सी कि द लास्ट डिजिट इज a unit digit is 5, so we will divide it by 5 only. So 5 5 is 25, 4 carry over, then 4 5 8 it will go, and again 5 5 5 is coming, so again we will divide by 5 only. So 1 and 1 and 7, then it will go 8 9. When we add 9 is coming, that means it will go by 3. Okay, divisibility test of 3 it is. So 3 3s are, again it is 9, 2 will go, and 9s are, and then again it will go by 3s are, 1 and 3, and it is coming 13. Okay, so now what we will write here, here 2925, okay, is equals to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. Now when we make the group of 2 2, what is coming? 13 is coming. Thus it's clear that, so 2925 should be divided by 13, so it becomes a perfect, so that it becomes a perfect स्क्वायर. मतलब 2925 को हमें 13 से डिवाइड करना चाहिए ताकि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. तो व्हाट विल बी द न्यू नंबर? न्यू नंबर इज इक्वल्स टू, अगेन वी विल यूज द लॉजिक, डिवाइड बाय 13. यू कैन आइदर डिवाइड इट इनटू रफ कॉलम, और व्हाट यू कैन डू इट, come here, prime factorization is there. If I divide it by 13, then 13 और 13 cancel हो जाएंगे, तो this 13 will vanish. So what will be left? 5 5s are 25 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, so it will be 25 into 9. So what answer you will get when you will multiply? You will get it 25 9s are, will come 225. This is our new number. Now we have to find the square root of this. So what it will become, as they have all find the square root of the square number so form. So what we will write now, square root of 225 is equals to, again we will put the square root sign, and from here only 13 we have removed already, so 5 and 3 means 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 is left. Now we will not write the स्क्वायर रूट साइन. 2 5 के लिए 1 5, 2 3 के लिए 1 3, और ये आ गया 15. तो 10 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 225 इज इक्वल्स टू 15. ये हमारा पहला पार्ट. न्यू नंबर इज 225, and by which number it should be divided? So it should be divided by 13. Clear?